Why isn't this?
Oh, this is the.
All right.
Judge, if I may,
Yes.
this is a compliance hearing. A supplemental report was sent into the court to notify the court that Mr. Gomez was discharged in April successfully from the ACEs program. However, since he was discharged, he relapsed with 2 different substances.
Mhm.
He is scheduled for a TAP evaluation on August the 20th.
Okay.
Based on that TAP recommendation, we're asking that he follows the recommendation, no matter if it is inpatient or not. We have spoken. He is currently going to AA meetings. He has proof of that. He previously completed the DDRF program. He has completed the DEFT 1 and 2 classes. He is currently participating in the mental health caseload. However, he doesn't necessarily, he's not really interested in participating in that. He says that the mental health medications have some side effects that he just does not like.
Have you talked to the doctor about the side effects? All right, so I'm not a medical doctor, but what I do know is if there are side effects, you need to speak to your doctor about those side effects and see if there's something else that they can give you, because obviously I want you to be successful. And if those medications are for your mental health, you don't want to just stop them cold turkey. Okay?
At this time, Judge, the probation office is asking to amend his conditions for intensive supervision. Make sure he goes to his scheduled TAP evaluation and follow all of the TAP recommendations.
Defense?
We agree with Abrams.
All right, and the other
And,
case?
oh, I'm sorry,
Yes.
Judge, I did forget to say that he is also calling the UA hotline daily. And his last tests were negative.
Okay. All right, so what is happening with the other case?
It apparently was just indicted. We were under the impression that it was going to be passed on as he was going to.
So what is going to happen with the new case?
I did not know there was a new case. Can we confirm that,
So
Council?
if y'all can confirm that today, maybe you all can take care of it today, since you all have agreed that he's to be continued and there's mental health issues. Ms. Abrams, do you think we need a status after the August 20th date?
Yes, I do. And I do not believe that our office is aware of the
New number one?
new number 1. So an NPR has not come forth because we were not aware.
All right, so if we can take care of that, let's take care of it today, because otherwise, if that's open, even if the TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we're not going to be able to do anything with that. And I really don't want to see him taken into custody on a motion to revoke. Is this something that can be solved beforehand?
This.
All right.
Take care of it today, Judge.
And Miss Ferguson,
Yes, sir.
I need a date after. And counsel, is this an application for deferred adjudication?
Is your honor.
All right, probation, this is an application for deferred. Court is calling 2026 CR 003004, State versus Carlo Ovalle. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Christian Vega for the defense.
All right, and are you Mr. Ovalle? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Ovalle, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Counsel, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? I'm sorry.
I did.
Ms. Ovalle, did you review the true bill of indictment? I hope your counsel understood it. I know he did. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Ms. Ovalle, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with assault, family, household, or member with a previous conviction as a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Ovalle, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promise you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State is recommending deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with the complainant except by family court orders and medical appointments. And these medical appointments, is that related to children?
A shared child, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent, and you're not allowed to possess any weapons or ammunition. Did you understand that to be your plea? Defense and state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There'll be 200 hours community service restitution, the BIPP course, TAP evaluation, and follow all recommendations. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. This time, C is offers into evidence. State Exhibit 1, all attachments.
No objection.
Any objections?
No.
All right, state, the complainant in this case, is it the same complainant that's in the previous conviction?
I believe so, yes, Your Honor.
All right, and have you spoken with the complainant?
We've attempted to, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. Court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that she's thankful for the opportunity. She accepted responsibility after the alleged, or after the offense. And she's attempting to do so today as well, Judge. She's happy to work on probation and learn.
All right, why are you so angry?
What's going on in life?
All right, what is the lot of stuff that's going on?
Financial responsibility, doing work, in general, just a lot of stress.
All right, but I mean, why does that stress for you manifest itself into being abusive to your partner? Or I should say your former partner?
The family is good, it's like a healthy outlet. That now.
And how old are your children?
It's one.
One. All right, so children don't need to see violence in their life. Their surroundings should be very serene so that they can grow, they can feel loved. You understand? Both you and the complainant, you are going to have to figure out a way how to speak to each other kindly. And I can tell you, because I've done CPS cases and family law cases, at some point in time, he's going to bring somebody into his life in a relationship. You'll probably bring somebody in your life in a relationship. Here's my advice, and nobody ever follows this. Child exchanges, don't bring the new person in your life, and he shouldn't bring the new female in his life for child exchanges. But if he does, you're just gonna have to suck it up. You understand? Don't argue over your child. Your child doesn't need to see that. You understand? All right. Are you employed? What do you do?
I forgot the Home Depot.
Okay. The plants don't look that great this season. What's going on?
Yes.
I go there for a Rose of Sharon, and they just have this little tiny Rose of Sharon. My skills are not such where I want to, it's in the clearance, great, but it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
All right, the court will sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, $1,500 fine that will be probated, affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with the complainant, with the following exceptions. Your child is young, so you probably don't have the parenting app yet, but I'm just gonna say.
They do.
They do?
It's on the family side, there's orders that allow for app
Video
close.
and everything?
And then we've also talked about medical appointments. There's one for later today, and the complainant wishes her to be there.
All right, so it's gonna be exceptions are parenting applications and parenting apps and any other medical appointments for your child? Is there, like, you say there's a healthy relationship course? I know everybody wants BIPP for everything, but sometimes that's not the issue. So I think you have some kind of anger issues going on. I don't know what it's related to, but you're gonna have to figure out what it's related to, okay? And if you feel as though your partner is not being kind to you, then you may need to address that through healthy relationships, what it looks like for yourself as well as for any partner. So the healthy relationships course, and I'm gonna order parenting classes. There's to be 200 hours community service restitution. Once the healthy family course is completed, 100 hours will be deducted. Once parenting classes are completed, the remaining 100 hours will be deducted. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. TAP evaluation out of custody. Are any drug issues or anything going on with you? Are you on any type of mental health medication? All right, TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs or the patch. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
And Judge, on the parenting course, she's already completed it on the family law side. Can she submit that?
Yes,
Okay.
just provide it to probation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is,